All right, so country people, now good afternoon. I thank you when be so that take join us on News on the Hour for Plus TV Africa. Now the today when be say once time I give on happy this. My name na Promise Nero. The Soga President Muhammadu Buhari don point figure gave the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Atiku Abubakar, say he no get enough education to take contest the February 23, 2019 election. For inside the accusation, Buhari say make Atiku produce the educational certificate plus the school when be say go and the date when they go the school give the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal. But Atiku and PDP don't file petition give the tribunal for them to cancel Buhari victory and another order to declare him as the true winner of the poll. They say Buhari give us information about his school certificate for inside the form CF001 when submit give INEC. Meanwhile, President Buhari talks say he pass Atiku level in terms of educational qualification, training, and cost when we say he get both inside Obodo and Obodo Ibo. The electoral body INEC don't declare Buhari and his party the All Progressive Congress winner of the presidential election when they do for March. Response to INEC reply to the PDP presidential candidate Atiku Abubakar petition to the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, PEPT, where they take claim say the poll figure in submit with a petition, they authentic. Atiku Abubakar don't defend. He claims say he get the result of the February 23rd presidential election as he said they arrange inside the petition from the server of the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. The electoral umpire don't declare incumbent President Muhammadu Buhari of the All Progressive Congress, INEC, as the winner of the February 23rd election after say he win with 15,191,847 votes and Atiku get 11,262,978 inside a 139-page petition before the PEPT. Atiku talks say according by the data for INEC server, the true, actual, and correct result, they show say he, Atiku, secured total of 18,356,732 votes against Buhari with 16,741 and 430 votes. The PDP presidential candidate talks say the result now from 35 states and the Federal Capital Territory as they get no report on server about the election result from Rivers State. Now today, the trial of Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Walter Onoge, will finally rest as the Code of Conduct Tribunal (CCT) don't set to deliver the judgment. The three-member panel, Danladi Umar, they lead. When we say Danladi Umar, they lead on Monday, we fix the date for judgment after the prosecution. When we say Ali Umar San put body for inside, and the defense led by Okon Efut when we say that they adopt their final address. Onoge when we say they face charges of false and non-answer declaration, they drop in resignation 2 weeks ago after when we say they fight to application. One when we say they challenge the jurisdiction of the tribunal to hear the case. And the other application when we say they ask the CCC Shemo make it disqualify itself from the case when we say they handle. Onoge they face 6 count charge on top the federal government since June last year on top say the CGN he break the code of conduct for public officer for the country. After the rearrest on Tuesday, the Economic and Financial Crime Commission, EFCC, don't set to arrange Justice Rita Ngozi Ofili, Ajumogobia for the Federal High Court for Lagos. According by document, Ajumogobia go show before Justice Rilwan Aikawa of the Federal High Court, Ikoyi, Lagos, on 18 count charge based on the Wuru and money thief when they say she do. One of the 18 charges reads say Honorable Justice Rita Ngozi Ofili, Ajumogobia, and Godwin Obla's son. The about 21st day of the May 2014 for Lagos within the jurisdiction of this honorable court. They say they do body together to swallow the sum of 5 million for the Diamond Bank account of Niger and Colib Limited. The sum where be said they suppose no say it is part of the proceed of the unlawful act for the unlawful enrichment and thereby they don't commit the offense contrary to section 18A.15.2A of the Money Thief Prohibition Act 2011 as it be said that they amend them on top the punishable offense under section 15 of the same act. They arrest Justice Ajumogobia on Tuesday and at the operative of the EFCC do that one after the discharge and acquittal by Justice Hakim Oshodi of Wuru charge against her. So now what do you think about this arrest of Justice Ajumogobia when the EFCC be do when they go come up for court? You sure say they're supposed to do like that? I be not just normal level.
No, they're not supposed to do like that. You know, say we they like gra for this country.
Okay.
We know they like to do things by the book. Now, you know, say the first time when she appear for the court, we take and say they don't conclude investigation, they don't start trial.
Yeah.
Now, in between, EFCC can say they no do again because of one decision of Court of Appeal when talk say judge when then grab. They're not supposed to deal with the judge until when NJC, National Judicial Council, don't say make the judge come out.
Okay.
Before they go come try that judge.
Okay.
Now, so now waiting happen for this case with that. EFCC can say, look, we don't see this authority of Ngajiwa against Federal Republic of Nigeria. When talk say once judge don't enter don't enter trouble. Yeah. Before you go deal with the judge, make we first dismiss the judge.
Not true.
Now, in the case of this judge, NJC don't say, okay, we don't make recommendation to the president, say make president allow and make it go.
Okay.
So because of that, they can't say they don't do the matter again for the court, so they won't follow the process when they're not supposed to follow from the beginning. Okay. So since they don't say they don't do it again, the judge can't strike out the matter. So courts don't clear. Okay. So the new one now, when they come file, they are first arrest them for court premises. Yes. That, for me, it is wrong. Yes. They're supposed to invite them. Say, come as they always do. So when you can't enter them place, they go come give you what they call proof of evidence. Yes. Say you go meet them for court on that day, which is Thursday. Yes. So when you know can't show up, then go come make orders and make them arrest you anyway, because investigation don't finish. They don't do another investigation again. The matter don't end. So they're not supposed to grab them for court, even though they get the right to arrest anybody for anywhere. But they're supposed to follow due process. First invite. You go invite the person come, say, now waiting we get against you. Sometimes they go say, okay, come our office, we won't talk. When you go there, they go make you make statement or then keep you. Or sometimes they go say, oh, we go meet for court. Once they give you a proof of evidence, you go court. Now for court go come make order for your remand. And then you go bring application for bail. Now the standard procedure be that. That they don't follow. Okay, so now what will happen be that? Yes. All right, so this question website I want to give you. So now the other one, they say now what our law talk about how EFCC is supposed to arrest people, because common man like us, they think say EFCC is supposed to file case first before they arrest person. No be so. Normally, when they investigate, they go invite you. Yes. Because now the process with that, they go say, make you come. Say somebody don't complain against you, or then they investigate you on this, that. The law won't create them, give them power to investigate. Yes. Give them power to arrest. The power and police they exercise, themselves they exercise them under Section 4 for the Police Act. Okay. Then get the same power, because some of them are even policemen and be safe. So then go invite you, make you come, say, look, we investigate this matter. Tell us what you know about this thing. Yeah. When they don't finish their own investigation, they don't interview all the people when they want to interview. If they see a case don't they, then go can't charge the matter to court. Yes. Sometimes they go carry you go. Sometimes they go grant you bail. Yeah. Can't invite you to make you come meet them. So when you go to their office, meet them, they go can't give you what they call proof of evidence. Okay. Can't say you go meet them for court. Now, for this particular one, when they're on ground, so they don't conclude investigation. Okay. They don't first start trial with this woman. Along the line, they can't strike out the matter. The judge say, but the judge can't say, look, all the while when they do this matter, when I supposed to know about this in Ngajiwa, why can't they? So he can't strike out the matter. Okay. Now, the court no discharge the woman. Yes. The court no acquit the woman. Now only the charge, now the court can't strike out. Okay. So normally, once that don't happen, what they go can't do be say, then go refile. Yes. Because courts don't clear for them now. Because NJC don't say, remove this woman. So since that don't happen, now so then they supposed to do their own work. Okay, because the common man are not the see and the way they see them. Now know the law. That's why when common man get problem, it goes in supposed come. Yes, so we go come explain to you, because Constitution say you get right to move freely. Yes. You get right for presumption of innocence. So person who just grab you without following that process. So if they grab you, you can't say and then when they grab you, they're not supposed to keep you more than 48 hours. Yeah. After 48 hours, they're supposed to grant you bail or take you go regular court. That's so correct. Yes. I beg, help us understand this one. I beg. Court go feel free Madam Ajumogobia because of this kind of treatment. No, because you see, waiting there, me say now then when they don't charge and go court, you know to say a paper, because I don't need their paper be report say when they come on grab them for court yesterday. Say she say to the judge, say, look, waiting they go on here. These people won't grab me. The judge say, well, I don't know if you do anything. Say, I don't finish with the matter. Yes. Now, normally, when something like that happens, you do one or two things. Either you go court, go ask for fundamental right enforcement. Say you won't make the courts enforce your fundamental right. Yes. Now, but they don't keep them for more than 48 hours. then grab her for court, then suppose arrest her, yes, because of waiting and get.
Yes.
Now, but the way when they take go about her, now wrong.
Yes.
They too like to they do grand.
Fast forward,
yes.
fast the way they suppose.
So
very wrong.
you can't like say, I just want deal with person. So somebody they take them personal.
Yes.
Normally when that thing don't happen, she waka come court.
Come meet on her.
The court don't say we strike out the matter. And I go just tell her and say, oh, come our office on so and so date, so that we go look into
the matter.
Exactly. So and that then
a very simple way to go. All right. The final question I want to ask you now this is say now how this kind of behavior go to affect people when they say that they see EFCC now. So what do you think about that?
Person don't suppose fear. Because courts they there.
Yes.
You got some matters when we say when they go do this kind of guru gra. Once you go court, the court go look, say, what do I do this ones for? And then begin hit them hard.
Yeah.
Now in recent times, say this public complaint commission self did there, National Human Rights Commission self did there, Legal Aid Council self did there, Ministry of Justice self did there when you get Office of the Public Defender. Yes. So you get number of agencies when person fit go complain. Yeah. If you don't get power to complain, if members of your family they around when you see those things, then they go complain and then go take them up. So court they sit, they wait to see all of these mistakes when these agencies of government they make. The court go come begin address them. So you don't need to make anybody fear. You don't need to make anybody fear.
All right. So thank you very much, Oga Norris.